We were just talking about what's going on south of us, southern New England getting clobbered by this storm. Providence, Rhode Island set their all-time snowfall record, over 30 inches on the ground there. And you can see Boston, especially the South Shore, Cape and the Islands, getting hit hard by that snow right now. Here's the center of the storm way offshore. Thank goodness that's not coming any closer here to Maine, but it is a bomb cyclone, right? It underwent bombogenesis, which means that the pressure rapidly deepened, at least 24 millibars in 24 hours, an impressively strong storm. When you have a low that's that low, it is acting like a vacuum, sucking in all of this air across New England. Those northeasterly winds are going to continue to gust for the next several hours before the storm finally starts to pull away. Now, if you look at the wide view of the radar here, we got three bands we're watching. Light snow falling across northern Maine right now, heavy snow falling in central Maine. Look at this band. It goes all the way down into southern New Hampshire. And then we've got a third band now, which is approaching MDI in Penobscot Bay. That will be pivoting through here. The storm's forward motion is very slow, so we're going to continue to track these bands before it winds down later on tonight. You can see the dark blues here in the Lewiston-Turner area. It's picked up over the last 30 minutes or so. The blues getting darker and darker, which means the snow is adding up faster and faster between Lewiston and Turner, down through Raymond now as well, Gray, New Gloucester, parts of North Windham, in on that heavy snow across Sebago Lake, right down through Shapley and towards the New Hampshire border. We'll watch for that next band coming onshore. Conditions are going to go down pretty quickly along the mid coast here as we head through the next couple of hours. Here's the view in Lewiston under that dark band. You can see visibility is not too tough of shape in Lewiston right now, but you can almost see the big flakes getting captured here on the camera at the airport. Now, things are going to be really, really tough after sundown, 5:21 this evening. Visibility is in bad shape already, but as soon as we lose the daylight, it is going to be near impossible to see where you're going later on this evening. And even after the snow ends, we still have the wind blowing that snow back on the road. Let's talk about the waves right now. We've got 12 footers offshore, winds gusting around 50 knots. Our coastal flood warning remains in effect. About 25 minutes to go now until high tide. This is for York County and the New Hampshire seacoast. The flood warning goes until 6 p.m., but high tide again is about 25 minutes away. So once the tide turns, starts to pull out, we'll still see some impacts, but they'll be gradually waning as the evening goes on. And luckily we have northeasterly winds, pretty northeast right now, because even though we have 2 feet of storm surge from that storm, the wind direction is actually in our favor. Remember those January 2024 storms back to back where we had major coastal flooding? We actually had southeast winds in that situation, pushing the water up onshore and up into our rivers. So just a run-of-the-mill nor'easter here with big wind, which is creating those blizzard conditions officially in Portland. Visibility down to a quarter mile. Sanford as well, dropping in Lewiston and now parts of northern Maine, seeing that light to moderate snow picking up a bit as well. Travel very difficult here through the next several hours. By 8 p.m. there's slight improvement. By 10 o'clock the snow is wrapping up, but still stays a bit blustery for us through the night tonight. Right now 23 degrees in Portland, that 25-mile-an-hour wind, and the camera bouncing here in the wind, John and Kathleen. So we got a long ways to go. We're peaking here over the next hour, but we're going to be feeling the impacts after dark too.
Oh, wow. We're not even at the top of the mountain yet. Oh, man. Okay. That is good to know.
We're still on the chairlift going up.
Going
or
up.
like the roller coaster. Tick, 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 tick. There we go, right?
Yeah.
Halfway, she says. All right, making
Okay.
progress.
We'll take that. Okay.